Hi, my name is Kush Patel. I'm the president of 312 Truck. I oversee the operations of this facility.
My name's Matt Shreve. I'm sales manager here slash estimator slash partner. 312 Truck Body Repair and Painting. We're a heavy duty body repair company.
312 Truck came to the south side of Chicago in 2024. We're no strangers to collision and repairs. This is a family owned and operated establishment. We've been in the collision and repair space for over 40 years.
One of our biggest customers we work with is Amazon. Pretty much anyone who has any type of commercial vehicle. We're really focused on smaller fleets.
We've seen it all. We fix all types of different vehicles from, garbage trucks to front loaders to semi-trucks, trailers, lowboys, pretty much anything and everything you can imagine. We can tailor make a solution based on that company's needs, their volume, their budget, as well as their timeline. Our team has the unique advantage to basically repair any type of vehicle from a passenger car to a Class 8 semi within our network. Our network comprises of about 6 locations. We can handle anything from your mechanical needs all the way to your paint, custom paint, collision for any vehicle or any type of machinery that has paint. People in this facility deeply care about the jobs and the roles that they perform here at 312 Truck.
I make sure that all the equipment we need for the job that we need to perform, anything with electrical, make sure I get the right parts for it to make sure the job is done right. I also do HVAC on all the trucks. Whenever they come in, I check the AC, check the system, make sure it got heat and get air blowing out. And I also make sure that everybody in the shop is working to the best of their ability to get the job done.
I'd say we'd stand out above the competition. Biggest channel I'd say is turnaround time. And I think in this industry, if you have a unit and it's down, you're losing money. So we know that turnaround time is a really big thing to try to push and sell. I don't know if there's anyone locally around here that can kind of compete with us.
From the moment that you ask us for a quote, from the time that we get our approvals to work on that vehicle, it is sprint to the finish line to get that unit back into your hand. There's never a situation where you fall on the back burner. All of our clients' vehicles are equally important. We know that everybody needs their vehicles back.